happening, man? It's your boy D-Script with D-Script TV, and hey, I got something planned for y'all, man. We're gonna go ahead. Y'all gonna follow me while I do what I does, what I do, what I do. I'm gonna run a couple of errands and stuff, but first, I gotta shape up my beard, man. I know it's no shade November, but I gotta shape it up a little bit. It's getting too straggly for my liking, so we're gonna go ahead and do that first. Here we go. We got my bird Jeff, man. Finally found out a name for him and everything. His name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
How you doing, man? You like your new home? You chilling? Are you still afraid of me? I'm your new owner. Okay. Jeff,
My name is Jeff.
I got something good for you, bro. Check this out. You want a chicken nugget? Look, I got a chicken nugget. Bro, eat the chicken nugget, bro. I guess birds don't eat chicken nuggets. What the? What is going on? Bruh. Bruh. How the hell you get in here?
You had the damn door open still from last night.
You,
I'm gonna call you back.
man, you got my robe on.
That nigga's tripping.
Bro, you gotta start giving me rent, man. This is ridiculous, bro.
I got like $750 on it right now, but that's about all I get.
Oh, that's cool, cause rent ain't even that high right now. Ha. This man, look at this, man. Dude got the whole robe on, bro.
Got the whole little cotton / silk little shit going on or whatever.
This is crazy, man. Only on D-Script TV, man. Anyway, so we got a lot planned for y'all. Not really. We don't got that much planned, but we got something planned for them. Should we tell them what we're gonna do?
Nah, man, they wanna, tune in later on to see what it is.
Okay. So y'all just tune in for what we about to do when we do it. When we does what we do, will be just tune in. What's up, man? We off here. We in the car. We in the black midnight. Well, this ain't midnight. This called Stacy. I'm sorry, midnight. I got 2 black cars, by the way. Let me show y'all midnight real quick. See ya. Baby, midnight, man. Ever since I got Stacy, I haven't been treating her right, man. I gotta clean her out, give her a little drive and stuff, but Stacy just feels so nice, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm getting off subject. I need to get some trash bags, man. My apartment's a freaking mess. So I need to go ahead and get some trash bags. I'm gonna try to clean up, get some more adult stuff. What else? With like some cleaning. What you clean stuff with, man? Help me out here.
Ajax shit.
Ajax.
Or some coming, I don't know shit.
It's mostly trash, bro. Once I get the trash out, it's gonna look way better, bro. Trust me. It's gonna look way, way better, man. So we're gonna go up here. And you already know what store we about to go to. Dollar Tree. You gotta clean up. You gotta do stuff. And Dollar Tree is the place to go, cause you know why?
That shit cheap as fuck.
Yeah, bro, everything $1. So why not go to Dollar Tree, bro? Y'all going to what was Target, Walmart,
Walgreens high.
all that stuff, bro. Go to Dollar Tree. They got some good stuff for $1. I'm about to show y'all once I pull up. Look at that Camaro. That's why I stopped. Oh, right there, it's classic. Oh, look at it. I gotta get one. I'm sorry, Stacy, but if I could find one, I'm gonna trade you in for a Camaro, baby. I'm sorry. You make somebody else proud.
Mission, tricks, like watching pictures in hazy vision. Tonight is love making, take you any place you wish. Today we satisfied, yesterday was stolen kisses. Blind insanity, perfect pictures of me and my family, not understanding the destiny that they plan for me. If I have kids, will I let it see them grow? Though I don't know, I live a life of a thug. Till the day I go, no broken promises, a sacred bond broken.
Here in Dollar Tree, man. You got the sign?
Dollar Tree. Hickory Hood Dollar Tree.
Alright, man. Dollar Tree. You can get all your paper plates, your napkins, your cleaning supply. And sometimes they got some ice cream or some shit. I don't know about the food. If you like off-brand food, you can get that shit too. You know what I'm saying? Dollar Tree, give me a contract, give me a promo, because I'm giving you promo on my YouTube channel and I need my money. So check this out.
Christmas shit.
They got Christmas supplies in this month, bro.
In November.
Everything you need for Christmas, bro. You got your ornaments for your tree, your Christmas tree, you know what I'm saying? They even got a star you can put on top of the tree, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Golden
Dollar
Star.
Tree doing big things over there. Oh, shit. Man, what else we got? We got little elf hats, you know what I'm saying? We got the Santa Claus hat. And we got some more ornaments.
Oh, that.
Yo. We got the Frosty Snowman. What you call these, stocking bags.
I need one for my little kids.
Bro. Little kid. You got kids, bro?
I plead the fifth right now.
Anyway, we need some trash bags. My apartment is a mess, and I need to clean up. So, we're gonna find something. I don't even know what the trash bag is. Hey, yo, I need some. Yo, maybe I need to get a basket, bro. Hold up. Yo, my jump shot ain't really like that in real life, just so y'all know. Let's get some of this. I don't have to. When you get plastic forks, spoons, you don't have to wash it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That saves me water and saves me from going and having to wash dishes. Remember what I told y'all before? Got ice cream. Am I in focus, bro?
Yep.
Look, man, they got the name brand. Hold up.
Italian eyes. I think.
That shit might be good, bro. I'm gonna try it out. Hold up.
That's the, get the other one,
I'm tripping.
Yeah. Trash bags. Come on, down here.
Hold up. We need something to drink, though.
Get some chips too, shit. Some queso ruffles. Oh, they probably ain't got it. They probably ain't upgraded yet.
Bruh.
store ain't that big. We can't find no trash bag. We gotta ask somebody with a trash bag. What trash bags? The last aisle? Aisle 2. Thank you.
Did she lie to us? Bro, did she lie?
Yeah.
I don't see no trash bag.
I see, plastic war.
Oh, my man, appreciate that.
I'm looking for the same thing you looking for. Trash bag.
You recording, bro?
Yup.
Oh, shit. So anyway, bro, we went to Dollar Tree. We got what we needed. We needed trash bags. That was the main thing. So we got that. Hopefully it don't tear when I put the trash in there and I can clean out of my apartment sometime. Because you already know. It's kind of dirty, man. Your boy been kind of depressed, bro. I've been going through a lot of stuff. So just let me live, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we going to the second part of this errand run. It's been a long time coming. And your boy about to get his bottom grills back, man. With the diamond cuts, yo. I need it. I gotta have it. I'm so sad. I was so sad when I lost the first pair. But when you got it like I do, you can lose a pair and go get another one. And it ain't shit. Because they ain't really... What the fuck? Bro, you heard that?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? I'm gonna get my bottom grills. And hopefully they let us, you know, kind of record in here. Hopefully ain't nobody in here because I want to come in, get molded, and get right back out, man. I'm trying to be here all day. Let's roll. What's going on, man? I need help. I need a bottom grill. Can you help me? So how much, like 8 bottoms will
I can't
cost?
talk to you because he's recording. I can't talk about the grill.
Bro,
You have to off it, man.
I gotta off it.
Yes, sir. I can talk about the jewelry, but can't talk about the.
All right, man. I'll be right back. Can we film while I'm getting molded?
When you come here, I will.
When I get molded.
Yeah.
Just got the bottom grill in. Just got molded for it. Just got finessed it.
Like a
Dude, he said, man, we can start recording. He doesn't want to, you know, talk about, you know, the money exchange and the product and all that stuff, which kind of seems sketchy, but I said, okay, that's fine. I understand. You got a company and stuff. So I asked him, I'm trying to get it on my blog with me getting molded for my grill. And he said, cool. Just pay for it over there, and then you can cut it on when you get molded. Bro, this dude brought this shit in, tried to put it in my mouth real quick, and we couldn't get molded, bro. Like, we couldn't have the shit on camera, bro. So, I'm sorry. That was supposed to be the whole second part of the grill, but fuck it, bro. We wasn't even gone that long, and my freaking bird is freaking gone, man. I left the cage open, and this nigga just dipped out. Look at the cage. This man is really gone. I can't. Bruh. I'm not a good pet owner, man. Maybe I should have got a fish. What you think?
maybe a cat.
Oh, bird! After hours and hours of looking for this damn bird, guess where he at? Look at this, Jeff. Jeff, what you doing down there, man? What's going on, man? Why you scaring me like that? This is not cool. Here, hop on. We're gonna be best friends one day.
Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I bought the Aston Martin, y'all thought it was rented. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Papa on the spinach. Double M, yeah, that's my team.